Is March 28th, 2017. This is the Watchman News, and I'm Mike Callahan. This I just noticed is breaking news from RT, so I figured I'd better get it out there right away. Boeing 737 with 140 plus on board veers off runway, bursts into flames after landing in Peru. As it says, a Peruvian Airlines Boeing 737 jet with 141 passengers on board has veered off the runway, bursting into flames upon landing at the Francisco Carly, Airport in Jauja, Peru. And I know I got that way wrong. Peruvian Airlines Boeing 737-300, registration number OB-2036, was involved in an accident and caught fire upon landing at the Francisco Carly Airport around 4:30 p.m. local time, the company has confirmed. Got a little video here we'll play.
¿Estamos bien? Ha habido un aterrizaje. Nos están evacuando porque al momento de aterrizar el ala de Peruvian se vino. Vamos, salgan. Salgan, por favor. Hemos logrado salir. Estoy bien. Estamos bien. Asustados, pero estamos bien.
All right. Goes on to say today at 16:30 p.m. we landed at Francisco Carly Airport, however that's said. Our Boeing 737-300 aircraft turned on the right side, skidding off the runway. The high professionalism of our cabin crew prevented a major incident, the airline said. Here's another video.
Familia, acabo de aterrizar en Peruvian, en Jauja. Estamos bien. Ha habido un aterrizaje. Nos están evacuando porque al momento de aterrizar el ala de Peruvian se vino. Vamos, salgan.
I think that might be the exact same video. The article goes on to say some 141 passengers were on board the flight, but none of them suffered any serious injuries from the accident. The airline said, noting that all passengers were safely evacuated from the plane. An investigation has been launched into the cause of the combustion. Video posted to social media show a Peruvian Airlines passenger jet on fire. So there you go. It's that is a miracle. They made it okay. It probably caught fire when, because it looks to me like the landing gear is probably broken off. So that's probably what caused the fire. Is the fuel is stored in the wings, and the wing probably got ripped open, and the fuel combusted. So again, it's a miracle that nobody was injured in that, and wow, that's crazy.